What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Wingstop Hobby. Finally back with another video. Sorry I'm a little bit rusty. It's been a while. And to be honest, I'm ashamed of myself because I kind of just quit on myself. I'm not going to lie. I got a little discouraged. And I just didn't feel like making videos. But now I'm back. I have a shoe review for you guys today. I haven't seen this video on YouTube. So I figured, hey, let's fire up the camera. This is something I wanted. And I figured I'm back on YouTube. So we'll make a video today. So yeah, I've just been gone. I just haven't felt like making videos. Particular reason is that I've been buying the same the shoes that I bought the Air Jordan 11s, I bought the Yeezy Yezreel and the H-Hills, the 350s. And I just saw everyone else had a video on there. And like I said, I just got discouraged. I mean, I could have made some more videos. I had ideas, but I just got discouraged. So I apologize for that, for the people who follow me. But anyways, we're gonna get back on the grind. Now I am starting a new job next week, which is 5 days a week. So I can't promise anything, but I'm gonna try my best to find time to make some videos, get some new pickups, whatever. And in 2020, I really wanna start buying stuff that isn't like the most hypest stuff, like, and not everyone's getting. Everyone's gonna try to get the hype stuff on YouTube. Everyone's gonna try to get early reviews. I just don't see the point of spending money to get a shoe early. That's just me. And I'm also not paying resale in 2020 either. I just said that's my New Year's resolution. I ain't paying resale, so if I can't get it for retail, I'm probably not gonna get it. Without further ado, enough of the rant, enough of the talk. Let's just get into the review. Now, this is a shoe I wanted back in the day. I had a pair of these, but not this colorway. This is the Kobe 5 Protro. Now, I'll just show you guys the box real quick. Black box, Kobe logo right there. And then you can see the label, Kobe V Protro. V stands for 5. Colorway is white, cyber, dark gray. Price tag is $180. These just came out today. Now, if you guys are familiar, Nike's been bringing back the Kobe line with the Protro form. We had the Protro 1s, 4s, and now the 5s. Protro is just basically upgraded performance shoe than like the previous model. So Kobe Bryant was basically like, hey, if you're gonna retro my shoes, I want them to be like the best performance shoe. I want them upgraded in performance to meet today's basketball shoes. Now, I'm not really a hooper. I got these more for nostalgia, and now I'm going to wear them casually. And I couldn't buy these shoes back in the day. So if you're looking for a basketball performance review, sorry, it's probably not going to happen out of me. But maybe someone else will put one up for you guys. Maybe wear testers. But anyways, just figured I'd show these off. So yeah, like I said, I had a pair of Kobe 5s back in the day that I used to play basketball in. Always loved the Kobe line. I had like couple pairs of Kobe 8s back in the day, Kobe 7s, Kobe 1s. The 6s are my favorite, however. Never had a pair of Kobe 6s, so waiting for those to Protro. But these right here, man, I'm so glad these came back out because bang, bang, here they are, the Kobe 5 Protro in the Chaos Joker colorway. Now, what makes this colorway significant to me is that Kobe Bryant wore these against LeBron James and the Cavaliers on Christmas Day, 2009, so 10 years ago, over 10 years ago, crazy. So Nike decided to bring back this colorway, and I never was able to get this colorway back in the day, so I'm so glad I'm able to have it. That's what I love the most about Nike basketball, bringing back all these retros. You've seen the LeBron 7 retros coming back. Is that these shoes I was never able to get back in the day just because, like, I mean, I don't have like the means I have now where I can just buy whatever the hell I want to. But so yeah, I had to be like more selective back in there. I was really just buying shoes to hoop in too. I wasn't just buying them for casual wear. But Nike basketball and like Jordan shoes is what I really grew up on back in the day. So it's nice to finally get these colorways I wasn't able to get. And that's all it is for me. I mean, nostalgia over hype. Like, don't let me like discourage you from getting like the off-whites. Like, that stuff's cool, but I'd rather have something like this than like an off-white per se. Like, the off-white's cool, but this just means like a lot more to me, basically. But I'm not going to get into a rant. I love Kobe Bryant, by the way. But anyways, not getting into a rant. Let's get into the shoe. So as you can see on this like midfoot and toe cap, you got like this iridescent like purplish red kind of with this bright green swoosh with like a gray outline. I love the colorway. Obviously, it resembles the Joker colorway. You got like some cracking going through the toe cap and the midfoot area as well, like on the iridescent. And then we also have iridescent purple on the toe cap with the Kobe Bryant logo in green. Like I said, love the colorway. Laces are like a purplish red, and flip and dip on the back, we got more gray back here with the purple tab. And the Kobe Bryant signature in the green. Like I said, I bought these because I absolutely love this Joker colorway. And I just love the Nike Christmas shoes from back in the day. Like, I still wish they did it, even though I don't really like any of the newer Nike basketball shoes. They're more of like just performance shoes and they don't look good casually. But I do miss like the Christmas uniforms and the Christmas colorways. I remember back in the day, the Kobe 8 Christmases came out. I went to Nike store the next day and bought those. But yeah, that's enough of me in this nostalgia rant. Finish it off. We got red speckle on the midsole as well. Green outsole with the Kobe logo. Red right here. I'm not really sure. It's probably a performance thing. Sorry, I'm not too familiar with the performance aspect of this shoe. And then on this toe cap, we have a 24 on this shoe. And we have a KB right here. Obviously Kobe Bryant and the number he wore when he wore these. And then on the insole, we have a 2 on the left shoe. And we have a 4 on the right shoe, which is obviously his number that he wore when he wore these shoes. So there you have it. The Kobe 5 Protro Chaos Joker colorway, whatever you want to call it. Like I said, I mean, I love these. Like, this is a shoe that I've always wanted. The next Kobe I will get, I don't know, man. I'm not sure what colorways are gonna come out. Like, they just dropped this one. I didn't even know. I just saw this leak like a month ago, and then there we had it, January 3rd. But yeah, I hope they come back with like the Bruce Lee colorway. That'll probably be one I get. But like I said, I'm waiting for that Protro 6, but I had to get these just because I just love this colorway from back in the day. I'll give you guys some on-foot shots too. Sizing, by the way, before we end this video, sizing, I will go up half a size. I do have wider feet, but these do run very narrow, and Kobe's in general and performance basketball shoes in general, they always run a little snug because you want to have your foot locked in if you're playing. So if you want like a snug, really snug fit, if you're like hooping in these, maybe go true to size. If you got a wide foot, I kind of got a wider foot. Not too wide, but it's definitely a little wider than like a narrow foot. So I had to go up half a size. So yeah, I recommend going to try these on though. They were at Nike store. They sold out online. Some Foot Lockers got them. So check your local Foot Locker and see if you can try these things on. So like I said, they are 180 and you don't want to get the wrong size. So yeah, that's my preview or review, I guess, unboxing of the Kobe 5 Protro Chaos Joker colorway, like I stated. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like I said, I'm going to try making some more videos in 2020. That's crazy that we're in the 20s. But thank you guys. I appreciate the support, and I will do my best to get more videos out there. And you guys have a great rest of the day, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.